I consider myself fortunate and lucky to have worked alongside and supported my clients in the restaurant industry. I am so thankful for the clients that I have that own restaurants, and there's a couple of reasons why. Number one, I just love working with restaurant owners. They have great personalities. I love hearing about their ideas, all their great creativity. And number two, selfishly, I love trying out their establishments. What's better than going to your client's restaurant, enjoying some great food, some great drink, enjoying the atmosphere, and supporting their business? To me, that's so much fun. Now, I gotta say, in my experience working with restaurant owners from the startup stage, sometimes they get so excited about their concept, they overlook the details about running a business. So today, I'm gonna tell you a few tips about what I would consider if starting a new restaurant and best ways to protect my business and get the proper insurance program from day one. Hey guys, my name's Mike. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Fusco Orsini & Associates, headquartered in San Diego, California. We provide struggle-free insurance and risk management services for busy restaurant owners just like yourself. Now, if I was considering starting a restaurant, here's a few things that I would think about when it comes to the insurance and protection side of my business. Number one, before you sign that lease, make sure you review the insurance requirements and get your insurance professional involved. Some of those requirements in the lease are not understandable for most day-to-day business owners. So you need to get your insurance professional involved. Make sure they read all those requirements, understand what you may need so that you can price out your insurance program, include it in your business plan before you launch the restaurant. And don't sign that lease until you know that you can cover everything that they need in their contract, because you don't want to be stuck after the fact. Number two is, if you're going to do a TI, talk to your insurance professional about a short-term policy. Those insurance requirements that I just spoke about, your landlord's not going to let you off the hook in most cases just because your business isn't operational. Now, some of the stuff that they list in the lease, you may not need until you start the business. But that doesn't mean that there aren't short-term programs or great solutions available to cover your premise liability, your construction, and your property while you're building out the restaurant. Think about your TI, think about what types of programs you can have, and talk to your insurance professional about ways to meet those needs. Number three is, once you're up and going, or even throughout the process of your build out, if you have one, make sure you document your inventory and take a great video of your restaurant. Video the kitchen, video all the equipment, your furnishings, your POS systems, your artwork, anything that you have in there. Take a video, get your inventory together, send it to your insurance professional so that all of that information is documented. We find that in a lot of cases, if there's a fire or a catastrophic loss at a restaurant, people forget what they had. So it's a great idea to have a video stored somewhere safe so that you can go back to it in case you need it. Now, number four, don't forget about employment practices liability insurance, otherwise known as EPLI. EPLI will cover you and your business for matters that are brought against you from employees or former employees, such as wrongful termination, sexual discrimination, harassment, failure to pay properly. These are things that you might not think about when you first open, but you need to prepare for these things. A lot of EPLI policies, what people don't realize is they also cover third-party issues. Let's say a patron comes into your restaurant and harasses an employee. If that employee brings a lawsuit against you as the owner because it was brought on by a third party or the third party caused the harassment, you would still be protected in that matter. So don't forget about EPLI. Super important, getting harder and harder to obtain, but a good insurance professional will help direct you in the right place. And number five is, put together a good benefits package for your staff. It's so hard to hire nowadays in the restaurant industry, really hard to keep great and key employees on staff. So put together a good benefits package. Think about medical insurance and dental and vision. Think about work sites such as accident or hospital indemnity plans. Think about chiropractic and small life policies that you can take care of. There's all types of things that you can put in place to make your employees feel more stable in their job and more comfortable at work. They have a better compensation plan than maybe the restaurant down the street. So think about those things. I hope they help. Those are 5 things that I would do if I was going to start my restaurant tomorrow. If you like my videos and these are helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the little notification bell so you get notification of any future videos. Thanks again for watching. Best of luck to you, and I hope to talk to you soon.